This is a spare parts shop. Olowu just got burnt this early morning, last night. All the shops burnt to ashes in Olowu, Ikeja, Lagos. So this is a spare parts shop. This is spare parts shop. No, they are just picking up the scraps. It got burned last night, and by the time the fire service came around, everything has gone down. So this fire service, they came very late. They came very late. So what the cause of the fire incident, nobody knows. So this is Olowu by Ikeja, Olowu spare parts, Ikeja. So it is quite unfortunate how this shop burning in Lagos is getting out of hand. It's getting too much, especially the Igbo shops, it's getting out of hand. So, and I don't think they have enough security to guide their shops. So